break. What's going on, y'all?
Hello.
We back with Rolling with the Fam.
Okay.
And we're going to skip the traditional gingerbread house and gingerbread man. We're going to be gingerbread mommy and daddy.
And the kids going to decorate us.
And the kids going to decorate us. So stay tuned for this one, y'all. It's going to be fun. Yeah.
And a little messy, too. Hey, stop eating everything. You're not going to be able to decorate
These candies, first thing they stink.
They taste weird. They don't have. They have
These
no
are
flavor.
nasty.
Okay, I'm shooting. Y'all want to talk about the video?
No. So, this is vanilla icing. We have 4 of these. Annihilators. Not unwrapped. What is this?
Like off-brand Twizzlers.
Pink lemonade
Twizzlers.
Twizzler. Pink lemonade.
Peppermints.
Peppermints. String. Sour string. Spice drops. And bubblegum.
So, now that we've already described the candies that we're going to be using, ladies, what are we going to be doing with the candy?
Covering you guys with it?
Yeah, turning us into sweet little ginger daddies and mommies. Which candy are you all looking forward to working with?
That one and that one.
The annihilators.
Okay, you ready to work with the Annihilators?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, because I see you eating them.
I think these will be easier. I think the peppermints, the spice drops, and the sour spaghetti will be easier to work with.
Mr. Woods, what part of the candy are you looking forward to working with?
The icing.
The icing? Yes, we are going to get rid of and wash these outfits because this is a lot of candy and a lot of icing. Give us a thumbs up.
Yeah, this is the first that y'all gonna see on Rolling with the Fam, so make sure y'all sure to be able to give us a thumbs up. Comment down below if y'all gonna do this video, and let's get to it.
And don't forget, have fun these holidays because 2020 was trash.
Your friends do too. Just ask your elves. Been real good this year, I'd say. I've scored enough to ride your sleigh. Have I been naughty or nice? That list of yours, just check it twice. We go ho, ho, ho in the chimney tonight. We gon' lay your sleigh just a gift I can't buy. There's a twinkle in your eyes, you fool no one. There's no disguise, you feel it too. Just let it ride. No point in letting this subside. We go ho 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 in the chimney tonight. We gon' Leo slay just a little on the side. On the side, on the side, on the side. Santa Claus, Mr. Claus, you ain't right. You're so naughty. You're the one Christmas gift I can't buy. We gon' ho 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 in the chimney tonight. Santa Claus, Mr. Claus, you ain't right. You're so naughty.
Was it fun and messy or just fun?
Yeah, because we got to decorate.
And messy. Yes, you guys, they ate more candy than actually was put on us. But
Porter.
who ate the most candy?
Porter.
Porter. Who actually decorated us more? Okay, you guys, that was another good and fun video. Go ahead and tell them what's next, y'all.
Make sure you like and subscribe so you never miss one of our videos.
And make sure. Should have started with Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas from Rolling with the Fam.
Let's do that.